In this video, I'd like to show you how to implement a level strategy and a chase strategy. So we have three copies of the production plan. So the first copy is going to be used for the level strategy. In level strategy, we make the same number of products every month. And we disregard demand altogether. Demand can go up, demand can go down, but the production level will never change. Okay? So there is a minor mistake here before we begin. If you click on the total demand, I don't have the correct formula there. So type equals sum, open parenthesis, and then select total demand, all of the demand numbers, and enter. So my demand turns out to be 5,903 units. However, your demand will be different because we're using random numbers. So if I'm going to sell this many units in 12 months, how many units do I need to make every month? For that, I'm just going to say equals 5,903 divided by 12. Okay, I get 492. Okay, so I type 492, and I'm going to copy this all the way down here. Okay, so my production stays constant, demand goes up, down, etc. But then my production stays constant. Okay. Now there's a minor discrepancy here because of the rounding errors. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the last month by 1 so that I have the production exactly equal. Okay. So these are the demand figures. Total demand equals total supply. And as you can see, the warning message has disappeared. Demand is satisfied by supply. Okay. So here I have no inventories, but many backlogs. Okay. In your case, you could have all inventories, or you can have some inventories and some backlogs for different months. Okay, but the way numbers turned out to be, in my case, I have only backlogs. Okay, so basically I have production cost plus backlog cost. I have no increase production or decrease production costs because my production stays constant. So this is my total cost when I use the level strategy. Now let's go to the chase strategy. Here we have a warning because we're not producing anything. Supply is less than demand. So how does the chase strategy work? Very simply, I'm going to copy demand numbers over here. Okay, so my production will equal demand. Okay, so here when production equals demand, I have 0 inventories and 0 backlog. Okay, you should have the same results here: 0 inventories, 0 backlog, and your production and demand numbers should equal. Okay. However, since demand increases and decreases from month to month, production will also increase and decrease from month to month, and you will have costs when demand decreases and when demand increases. Okay. So now I have I'm sorry, let's fix this also. Sum equals, okay, here, and then let's fix this also, equals sum, here. Okay, so when I use the chase strategy, I'm producing the exact same number, 5,903. Demand is satisfied by supply, and this is my total cost. So I incur this many dollars. This is my cost, total cost for level strategy. This is my total cost for chase strategy.